Most men look older, tired, and unattractive for one simple reason: bad skin. Look at these two guys. Same age, similar genetics. Be honest, who do women choose? Even a fifth grader can tell it's the second guy. Clear skin doesn't just change your face, it changes how confident, how healthy, and how attractive you look. But here's the problem. Most skincare advice online is complete nonsense. Random DIY hacks, homemade serums, viral tricks that don't work. So today, I'm giving you the real 7-step routine every man should follow to get clean, clear, glass-like skin. If you're serious about changing how your face looks, just give me 3 minutes of your life. Just 3 minutes. If you don't have 3 minutes, please skip this video. I don't want to waste your time. This isn't entertainment. This is for result. Let's start. Step 1. Stop touching your face. Think about how many things you touch every day. Your phone, door handles, gym equipment, food. Every time you touch your face, you push bacteria straight into your pores. If you want clear skin, stop touching your face unless it's necessary. Simple habit, massive impact. Step 2. Sunscreen non-negotiable. The sun is aging your face faster than anything else. One side of your face exposed to sunlight for years will wrinkle, sag, and age quicker. This is proven. Use sunscreen every single day, even if it's cloudy. No excuses. Step 3. Cleanse properly. Never use hand soap or body soap on your face. Facial skin is more delicate. Use a gentle face wash, preferably with salicylic acid, to remove oil, dirt, and prevent breakouts. Wash twice daily, morning and night. Step 4. Exfoliate twice a week. Washing your face isn't enough. Dead skin builds up like dust on glass, making your face look dull and tired. Exfoliation removes that layer, revealing fresher, brighter skin underneath. But don't overdo it. Twice a week only. Daily exfoliation will damage your skin. Step 5. Post-wash care by skin type. After cleansing, your skin needs protection. Wash your face. Apply nothing. Wait 2 hours. Dry feeling? Dry skin. Oil only in the T-zone? Combination skin. Oil everywhere. Oily skin. No extreme feeling? Normal skin. Now apply accordingly. Dry skin needs a rich moisturizer. Oily skin needs a lightweight oil control moisturizer. Normal or combination skin benefits from vitamin C for glow. Step 6. Face shaving. Optional but powerful. Face shaving removes peach fuzz and dead skin, making your face look smoother and brighter. Do it gently, once a week. No pressure, no rushing. Step 7. Fix your diet. You can't fix your skin from the outside alone. If digestion is bad, it will show on your face. Eat enough protein. Eat foods rich in vitamin A. Eggs are one of the best options. They support skin repair and overall health. You don't need expensive products. You need consistency. Follow this routine for 30 days, and people won't ask what skincare you use. They'll ask, what changed about you?